What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're just done silage, so yeah. Thanks to my cousin, they helped me out with this, so shout out to them. So here we just have the stuff packed up. There's the New Holland LM742 and that's finished book raking, it's just parked up there. Here's the contractor and he's drawn silage for a different lad. There's the Land Rover Defender and there's the heifers that are in there, they need to go to a new field, but it's quite far away, so we need to draw them in the trailer, so that's why they're being drawn there. And here's the suckler herd. So thanks for watching everybody. Oh yeah, and as well here's the T6 180 and that's spreading fertilizer. So I'll see you in the next video. Sorry because my cousins are laughing, and bye for now.